Hello and welcome to This Week on the Outer Banks. I'm Edward, and on behalf of everyone at Twitty & Company, we're excited to have you with us this week. As you prepare for your vacation, we'd like to recommend a few things to see and do while you're here. Ocracoke is hosting a Fig Festival from August 5th to the 7th. The festival features live music, storytelling, various activities, and all things fig. There will also be a special guest, chef and TV personality Vivian Howard. Please visit ocracokepreservation.org for more details. The town of Duck is offering an interactive children's concert called Nature Out Loud on August 4th from 10 to 11 a.m. The show will be fun for the whole family as well as educational. Kitty Hawk Kites will be hosting the Outer Banks Watermelon Festival on August 5th from 10 to 4 at their Nags Head location. Enjoy games, food, activities, and plenty of watermelon. The festival is free for all guests, however, the purchase of tickets is required to play and eat. Please visit their website for more details. If you're looking to catch some live music, we recommend checking out the Beer Garden in Corolla Village, NC Coast Grill and Bar located in Duck, and Jack Brown's Beer and Burger Joint in Kittleville Hills. If you're in Corolla, don't forget yoga in the park at the Whalehead Club Thursdays at 7:30 a.m. Don't forget to bring your gear. There's a lot to see and do all over the Outer Banks, and we hope some of these suggestions might give you a taste of what's out there and might even take you somewhere new. For more activities and ideas, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or the Twitty blog. Up next, we're going to sit and hang out with Wes from NC Coast Grill and Bar for this week's Local Business Spotlight. I am here today with Chef Wes Stepp at NC Coast Grill, right across from our Duck Twitty & Company office. And Wes, you're like a culinary delight product of the Outer Banks, and so it's really nice to be here. This is a great location. Tell us a little bit about what you do here.
NC Coast has been rocking and rolling. We're open for lunch and dinner. We're open 7 days a week. I also own Red Sky Cafe, which is right down the road.
Yeah.
And one of the signature dishes here at NC Coast, I know you were gonna ask me about this, is the chef's board, where it's basically like a tapas presentation of our whole dinner menu for as many people as you have at your table. And I tell you one thing, it's kind of taken the beach by storm. Not only is the presentation, beyond reproach, it's really kind of an adventure for everyone at the table to be eating everything from salmon to tomahawk pork chop to North Carolina shrimp to whatever. And that all came originally from Red Sky Cafe, because I do that for like the chefs on calls, because a lot of times we'll go to these Twitty houses, you got 25 people staying in a house. They can't go out to eat. They call us, Red Sky comes up, sends a chef right to your house. Yeah. So they don't have to leave the beautiful home that you got sitting right on the beach. They don't have to worry about drinking and driving. They got a menu that feeds everyone from grandpa to the kids. And we do it all in the kitchens that you guys supply.
Well, Wes, I know you're super busy. You guys are getting ready to open up here. You got stuff getting ready to be cooked. And thank you for just taking a little bit of time out of your busy schedule to let us come into your world a bit.
I tell you what, anything for you guys. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.
And thanks for joining us for This Week on the Outer Banks. We'll see you next week.